So in the previous videos, we have completed the combination reactions and also discussed about the decomposition reactions with examples. So today, let us learn about what are displacement reactions. So single displacement reaction, what is the definition? The reaction in which a more active or reactive element replaces, it will replace a less active or reactive element in a compound is what is called as the single displacement reaction. So this can be written in general as A plus BC giving rise to B plus AC. As you can observe here, okay, so B is getting replaced with AC. Okay, so in order to understand through some small toys like this, so let us go on and see. So let us suppose that this is B and C are of same color like this and A is more reactive. Okay, so A, B, C are there. So now what is the product? The B, C are not together like this. So in the product you have the C and A is coming in the place of B. Okay, and then B is standing separately like this. So through the toys you can just understand the previous way of alignment was different, and now the A and C has joined while the B got separated. So this can also be explained through an example. Okay, iron, which is solid, reacts with copper sulfate and it will form iron sulfate and copper. So the copper here is actually replaced with iron, which is more reactive in nature. So like this, actually the displacement reactions will proceed. Let us understand through a simple experiment and also some more examples. So in order to demonstrate this particular displacement reaction wherein iron, when it is reacting with copper sulfate, you have the formation of iron sulfate and copper. You have a small activity which is given in your book. So let us demonstrate the activity and see what is going to happen. So for this, actually what we need the aqueous solution of copper sulfate. So imagine this is the aqueous solution of copper sulfate what we have. So you have to actually take a nail. Okay, 2 nails actually you have to take. So like this, your nail you have to rub with the sandpaper to see that no rust or something is built on the top of that, and then you have to keep it immersed within this copper sulfate solution like this. See, like this for about a period of 20 minutes, just keep it like this. Okay, then after a period of 20 minutes, what you will observe? So let us check it out. So just keep it like this for a period of 20 minutes within the tube. You can see that the color of the nail has turned to brown like this, and even the color of copper sulfate has changed to green from blue. So initially it was blue and now it got changed to green because of formation of ferrous sulfate. So like this we can actually demonstrate the activity of displacement reaction, the reaction between iron and copper like this through the nail and the copper sulfate solution. So hope you followed. So let us move on and learn some more examples. Let's see some more examples for the single displacement reaction. So zinc reacts with copper sulfate giving rise to zinc sulfate and copper. Next we have is lead, reacts with copper chloride giving rise to lead chloride and the copper separately. This is the case of reaction of silver with the lead chloride. So is the reaction possible? Now here comes the case of reactivity of different metals. If you see the reactivity of different metals, lead is actually more reactive than silver. So silver cannot replace lead, and in such cases no reaction is possible. There is no reaction that is possible. So in the exams for the MCQs, they may ask such type of questions. So you can easily find out if you know the reactivity series, which is very important. So what is the reactivity series of different metals? If you see, so you have is potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, mercury, and then silver and gold. So the reactivity actually decreases down the line like this. So it decreases down the line. So in this you can see actually lead is actually more reactive compared to silver. So that's why no reaction could happen here. So how to remember this particular reactivity series without any confusion? So I just made a sentence, a mnemonic, so that you can remember the reactivity series of metals in a better way. So whatever is possible by me, I have created a sentence like this. So Kriti named chemistry as magic always, but Zubeda feels physics cute hugging, agile and awesome subject. This is the mnemonic which will help you to remember all the names of all the metals in the correct order. And as you know, okay, the reactivity of different metals decreases down the line. So like this, through the mnemonic you can remember. And if at all in the exam a question is asked about whether a reaction is possible or not, you can check the reactivity of different metals and you can write the correct answer whether a reaction is possible or not. Okay, so hope you followed about the displacement reactions, which are quite interesting and also easy to understand. So we will go on and also learn about the double displacement reaction in the coming up video. Okay, so do like, share and subscribe.